Good morning everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are heading to what's the name is Hydra Life Center. So right now we are heading over there. We had some mistake, we just thought we are coming to the metro station, but it's a bus station. We just got the Google on the wrong way. So right now we are heading over there. It's too cold also over here. So right now we are heading over there. It's the place of Baku where people are coming and taking selfies. I love Baku. What is the logo also there written like I love Baku. So right now we are heading over there. The time is 10:16 a.m. at the morning. So let's see you guys over there. Bye. As you guys can see, we are just going through the train. It's so under the basement. As you guys can see, it's so long. So right now we are here in the metro station under the ground. It's so down. It's very down. I have been seeing the other metros like train they have under the ground, but not as much over here in my life, I swear. So right now we are waiting. As you guys can see, our destination, we are over there, and we have to go. Katai. We have to stand there, get down there. And go. Where's the green one? Now I'm just going to show you our destination proper way. Here we are, and we have to go from here to Sahel. Then our stop will be over here, because from there till here, the Katai, we have to go. It will be the Hydra Center. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys over there. Hello everyone, so here I am in the Baku city center. I love Baku. So this is the museum behind me, and there's this castle. As you guys can see, it's far away, so sorry I left it. So anyway, right now we are heading to the downstairs over there, where it's written also I love Baku. So yeah, we are going over there, and it's gonna be amazing, awesome, beautiful day for us and for all of you guys who are watching my videos. See you guys over here.